Hello and welcome to the channel. And today an unboxing and also a review of the Tiexei D600 Power Station. So this is a power station that is designed for camping, going off grid when you need electricity. And this is what's on offer: an AC output, 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports, a car outlet, 2 DC outputs, and this has a lithium iron phosphate battery, which are sort of known for their safety. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's see what's inside this box. So let's have a look at some of the features of this device then. Already you can feel it's really well built and really solid. It's got a really good carrying handle on it. On the front you would have seen the input. You can only get this the right way around, red to black, and that will charge the device up. A really good clear display, which I will show you hopefully without any reflections on. So the power station has got a really nice clear display, inputs, outputs, hours and minutes, an overall percentage for the charge, and whether you're on DC or on AC. You can see here's the AC, it's 220 volts, the 2 USB-C charging points, the 2 USB-A, 1 at 5 volts, the car charger, and then also the car charging points where you can charge up from a car. Okay, a few different charging options. I'm going to try and plug in my phone. So you can see that that's charging. So another great solution offered by the Tiexei Power Station is the wireless charging. So that's on top of the device, and as you can see, we've got wireless charging. And this time I'm going to try and plug the phone into the AC charger. If I flick the AC switch, okay, that's charging, great. This button here turns the device on and off. A long press to power the power station on, and one press to turn the device off. Okay, I've brought the device inside to charge up. At the moment the display is static, but if I switch the charge on, you'll see that the ring around the percentage is moving around. It's saying that it's 29 minutes till full charge, and the input at the moment is 109 watts. So as you can see, I've moved into the car this time, and the device is plugged into the car outlet, and there is 23 watts going into the car battery from this device. So the instruction manual gives you quite a clear idea of what charging capacity different devices have. I'll go through those with you. Laptops, you'll get around 8 recharges for a laptop. Running a 32-inch TV, you could run one for about 8 hours. A GoPro, about 85 recharges. A floodlight, around 128 hours. You will be able to run a mini fridge for about 12 hours from this device. If you are running a drone, around 10 recharges, so great for drone users. You saw me charging up my phone, that'll give you about 36 recharges, and something like a Nintendo Switch, around 30 recharges. I also wanted to give you a sense of how effective the built-in light is. So although it's bright in here on a sunny day, it's really a very effective light. Slightly dimmer there, and then again the flashing light in case of an emergency. A little bit more detail around the Tiexei power station. This has a cycle life of 3,000 recharges. It takes about 5 hours to charge in total. The capacity is 550 watts, and that is equal to, believe it or not, 172,000 milliamps. So if you think about your power stations that you might carry around in your pocket, this has got 172,000 milliamps of capacity. And this time we've got the Apple charger plugged in. I'm going to click onto AC mode, and hopefully you'll be able to see when I connect up the charger. There we go, power to the laptop. So as you can see here, I've got the device set up next to our camping fridge, which has got a car charger socket. So if I plug that in, you should be able to hear that the fridge has powered up. So no need to have this plugged into the car. It will power up the fridge too. So there you go. That is my unboxing and review of the Tiexei D600 Power Station. What a great device. I've never actually had one of these. We've been camping so many times as a family and always relied on electric hookup. Everyone's always crowding around the electric hookup and the few points that you might have to charge devices. So yeah, this is actually a bit of a revelation, really. I'm a mountain biker, as many of the viewers of this channel will know, so just having access to that electricity while you're out and about is pretty impressive, really. A great device. Apparently this has survived a drop test of 1.2 meters. Not that I would want to do that. A really great device. Thank you so much to Tiexei for reaching out, providing the product for me to review. Of course, I will leave a link to buy this in the comments section. So I'm going to say this as always, please do like the video, please subscribe to the channel. It will do me a massive favour if you subscribe to the channel, hugely appreciated, and I will see you in the next one.